Hello and welcome to our video about Twitter. In this video, we'll be discussing what Twitter is, how it works, and some tips for getting the most out of your experience on the platform. What is Twitter? Twitter is a social media platform that allows users to post short messages, called tweets, and interact with others through likes, comments, and retweets. Twitter is known for its real-time nature, with users sharing updates and information on current events, news, and their personal lives. Twitter has over 330 million monthly active users, making it a popular destination for both individuals and businesses to share their thoughts and content. How does Twitter work? To get started on Twitter, you'll need to create a user account. This involves entering some basic information about yourself, such as your name and email address, and choosing a username. Once you have an account, you can start tweeting by writing a message in the text box at the top of your home page and clicking the tweet button. Your tweet can be up to 280 characters long, and you can also add photos, videos, or links to your tweet. You can see other users' tweets by following them, and their tweets will appear in your home feed. You can also discover new users and content by searching for keywords or hashtags. Twitter also has various features for interacting with others, such as liking, commenting, and retweeting. Liking a tweet is a way to show appreciation, while commenting allows you to have a conversation with the tweet's author or other users. Retweeting is a way to share someone else's tweet with your own followers. Tips for using Twitter. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of your experience on Twitter. Tweet regularly to stay engaged with your followers and keep your content fresh. Use hashtags to make your tweets more discoverable and to join conversations on specific topics. Use Twitter's advanced search function to find tweets and users based on specific criteria, such as location or language. Engage with others by commenting on their tweets, following users who share similar interests, and participating in Twitter chats. Protect your privacy by being mindful of the information you share on your profile and in your tweets, and by using Twitter's privacy settings. Conclusion. We hope this video has given you a good overview of what Twitter is and how it works. Whether you're using it for personal or professional purposes, Twitter can be a great way to connect with others, share your thoughts and ideas, and stay up to date on current events and trends. Thanks for watching.